Here is a circle with center at point C and points A and B on its circumference. I'd like to construct an arc on the circle bounded by A and B. I'll tap the Arc on Circle tool. A preview appears of a circle and an arc. The center of the circle is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I'll tap point C to attach the points. Now a bounding point of the arc is glowing. I'll tap point A to attach the points. And now the other bounding point is glowing. I'll tap point B to attach the points. My tool is complete. I've constructed an arc on the circle with bounding points A and B.